One, thanks for being here. My name is Sidi Balbazimpara, and I'm a part of Team Coding for Noobs. In today's video, you will be learning how to perform our workshop of code cave diving. But to start off, I will help you out with knowing about TAP. Now, Technology's Ambassador Program, or TAP for short, is all about the students, especially those underrepresented in tech, getting them interested in computing through fun, hands-on activities, aka projects. Now, the game Code Cave Diving is a maze-style 2D platformer. Each time you reset the game, the cave layout changes. So throughout every playthrough, you will have just a different cave system. We built we built it through using a processing IDE and a Makey Makey, which lets players control the game using objects like Play-Doh or bananas or even potatoes instead of using a keyboard. Now, for those of you that do not know about Makey Makey as a whole, it's just a simple device that turns everyday objects into touchpads. It plugs into your computer and uses alligator clips to connect to something like Play-Doh, for example. When you touch the Play-Doh, it sends a signal like pressing a key. This helps make the game more interactive and grab students' attention right away. Now, throughout the workshop, we use the game to teach a few basic programming concepts, such as if statements, arrays, and images and sprites. Now, when it comes to if statements, they help out with the game through the decision making, like checking if the player touched a wall or reached the exit. When it comes to arrays, it stores lots of info, and throughout our game, it stores the cave layout, which helps out with the whole randomness of of the game every time when you restart. And finally, when it comes to images and sprites, we load the images and sprites so the character and the rooms appear on your screen. Swapping the images can quickly change the game's entire look. Now, you would have to provide a little demo, or at least like a demonstration for the players, students, to go ahead and volunteer, or even have the faculty professor in there to do the whole demonstration. But when it comes to downloading this game, what you first need to do is extract the zip file, move the code folder into your demos. This step is absolutely optional, but it's just a lot more quicker to get things get things out of your way. Next, you open processing, press on folder, then open, then select the code folder that's under your downloads or that's under your downloads. Next, you open Makey Makey Platformer.kde, and then you just press run, which is the play button in processing. Finally, we have a create your path mode where you can design your own cave layout. This shows how changing the arrays change the entire game environment. And I would like to give special thanks to you guys to the viewer to just learning how to perform this workshop. And yeah, you have a nice one.